Hi guys, what if I tell you that there is a prop firm that pays traders 90% profit split and allows weekend trade holding, has relative traders friendly rules, and has funded thousands of traders all over the world with payout? Well, in today's video, we'll be diving into Gideon and answering the big questions surrounding the firm that most traders have. Well, is Gideon one of the best firms to trade with in 2026? Well, if you stay glued to this video to the end, you understand why I actually said Gideon is the best firm to trade with in 2026, because I will be covering their evaluation rules surrounding their instant funded account, and also their one-phase challenge and other rules that you might not know. First thing first, let's start with what is Gideon. Well, Gideon is a proprietary firm that provide access to traders to simulated funded accounts. So instead of risking your own large capital or your own money, Gideon offers you money, simulated funds to trade instead of risking your own money. So you see, the risk here is reduced down, so you don't have to risk big to make more money here. And Gideon has quickly gained popularity among prop firm trading industry because of their high profit split, 90%. Other firm pays you 70%, 60% and 80%, but Gideon does what? Pays 90%. Can you imagine? On some accounts too, you even get access to 100% profit split. That's if your payout should get delayed more than 24 hours, you stand a chance of getting 100% profit split. Gideon has quickly gained popularity among the trading industry. Why? Number one, because of their competitive trading rules, competitive price, and high profit split structure, strong trader support team. Their Discord support team are active and always ready to help traders in need.
And yeah, you guys can do well to check out their X handle at blueguide.com. Join their Discord community. You click the link on the bio. And yeah, it will bring you to this interface. You click go to server. You can scroll through, check their funded trader area, click on post your payout. Here you can see this guy's first payout was $225, here $1,080, which happened on 26th of June. See another trader here. So yeah, you can see multiple traders actually getting paid on Gideon. So yeah, if I were you, I won't waste or hesitate any longer and get funded with Gideon.
Fast payout process. Imagine your payout being delayed 24 hours. They will give you a 100% profit split instead of the 90%. So which other firm do you want to trade with apart from Gideon that does this? And mind you, they've been in existence way back 2021, trading with a firm that just started last year and trading with a firm that has been in existence for 5 good years and has a good record of paying traders their profits. Which would you want to trade with? Well, you already know the answer. Well, do yourself a favor, use the link in the description, get an account with Gideon and start trading, or use the promo code JDCrypto to get 35% discount on all account purchase. Well, as I said earlier on the video, the Gideon has 3 programs. One, which is instant funded account, where you don't need to pass phase 1 or phase 2 challenge, and 2, they have the 2-phase challenge, and also thirdly, they have one phase challenge. It all depends on you, the trader, which one you want to trade with. You get on the 2-phase challenge, you only need to hit a profit target of 8% on phase 1. Let's say for instance you're trading a $100,000 account. All you need to do is to make 8% of that $100,000 account and you're done with the phase 1. So 8% of $100,000 account is $8,000. So just make $8,000 profit and you're done with phase 1. Then you go to phase 2. On the phase 2 challenge, now all you need to make is 4%, which is $4,000, compared to other firms that does 10% profit target and 5% phase 2 profit target. So you see why Gideon is standing out among the rest, right? And mind you, while doing all this, you have to keep in mind the daily drawdown and the total drawdown of the account. For the phase 1 challenge, the total drawdown is 10% and daily drawdown is 4%. Let's say for instance you're taking a trade on a $100,000 account, you are not expected to exceed the loss of 4% on that account per day. That's $4,000. You're not to exceed $4,000. So, well, in subsequent videos, I'll show you guys how you can actually pass your prop challenge without violating the daily drawdown rules or the maximum drawdown. Well, why do traders prefer Blue Guardian above other firms? You can see for yourself the profit split, 90%. Who doesn't want 90% profit split? Of course, I would choose 90% profit split above 60% or 70% profit split anytime, any day. You get it? So, let's say for instance now you made $10,000 on the $100,000 account. Do you know what you're getting paid? You're getting paid $9,000, and the firm is keeping $1,000 to itself, while other firm will actually take 30% of the money and pay you 70%. This profit split structure is one of Blue Guardian's strengths and advantage over other firms. 2. Why traders choose Blue Guardian over others is the fast payout structure. Mind you, if you request for a payout now and Blue Guardian doesn't pay you in less than 24 hours, you stand a chance of getting 100% profit split instead of 90% as promised. So you want to pay bills, you request for payouts. Like other firms, they will take weeks, 3 active trading days to process the payout. But what Blue Guardian pays you in less than 24 hours because they have you in mind, knowing fully well that we request for payouts to settle bills and other stuff, you know. Thirdly, Blue Guardian is swing trading friendly for swing traders. They allow weekend trade holding and overnight trades holding. Even during news hours, you can actually hold your trade. It doesn't affect your account. Other firms will actually bridge you for trading high impact news, but Blue Guardian permits you to do your thing as a trader. Well, fourthly, scaling opportunities. Blue Guardian actually understands that profitable traders always want to grow, want to scale up their portfolio. So Blue Guardian allows account scaling. Let's say you're trading a $50,000 account, you can actually scale it up to $100,000 account. From there, you can scale it to $200,000 account and get max allocation with Blue Guardian. There's no restriction here on your scaling. Fourthly, the scaling opportunity on Blue Guardian. Blue Guardian actually allows traders to scale up their accounts from smaller accounts to bigger accounts till they get to max allocation. Let's say for instance you're trading a $50,000 account, you can actually scale that account up to $100,000 account. From $100,000 account, you can scale it up to $200,000 account. We know profitable traders will always increase their account size, they will always grow. So Blue Guardian gives them the room to grow. And lastly, multiple trading instruments. Blue Guardian offers metals, commodity, oil, gold, silver, and the rest. Well, lastly, trading multiple instruments. Blue Guardian actually gives traders the room to trade multiple instruments of their choice. They give gold, they give Forex pairs, they give oil, they give indices, US indices, and cryptocurrency also too. You can actually trade BTC on Blue Guardian. And Blue Guardian trading dashboard is actually traders friendly, where you can see the metrics of your accounts. You know, it's very important for us to track our account growth and progress via our dashboard. That helps us to be in check. You can see your current drawdown, you can see your profit target, you can see your trading history, all the trades you take, so you won't say they manipulate your trades. All will be transparent, where you get to see your remaining loss and your remaining profit target to be hit. No prop firm is perfect 100%. Blue Guardian also has their own limitations, but if you're talking about the limitations, it's nothing compared to the advantage of Blue Guardian. First, evaluation fees can be high for struggling traders. Guess what, guys? That's where the instant funded accounts they're offering for $10 comes in. You know, with just $10, you can actually get access to $5,000 instant funded accounts, which you can trade and make profit to scale up and buy larger accounts if you're a struggling trader. Not just for struggling traders. If you want to try Blue Guardian out, I would actually recommend you go for that $5,000 instant funded account for just $10. get started and see for yourself. If they're good, then you go on and make purchase of $50,000 account, which is just around the range of $300 to $500, and a $100,000 account, which is $600. You can see how cheap their $50,000 account is and their $100,000 account is. So once you've started trading with a $5,000 account and you've received payout, well, do well to purchase higher account, because the bigger the account, the bigger the pays. And they have consistency rule on this $5,000 instant funded account, which is traders friendly. Rule number 1 is you are not to make above 15% of the total payout you want to request. Let's say, for instance, now the profit cap is $250 and you want to hit that target. You're not expected to exceed $50 profit per day. You understand? So you have to make $50 consistently for 5 days to hit $250 profit cap, and with that you can request for your withdrawal and have no issues. Receive your payment instantly in less than 24 hours, and if you don't get it, they will pay you completely the $250. And with that $250, you can actually get a $50,000 account, and you see, gradually you get to max funded. I'm currently 50k funded with Blue Gideon. On my next video, I will show you guys the progress on my account. So why choose Blue Gideon? 1, remember, yeah, 90% profit split, competitive price, they're cheap in the industry. Thirdly, payout speed. Fourthly, they are the best. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Till